This video will show you some helpful tips on how to use a wheelchair safely. First, we'll cover the basics. Then we'll look at navigating obstacles like ramps, doorways and curbs. Finally, we'll look at effective communication and share advice on positioning the wheelchair. Let's start by covering the basics and how to prepare. Plan your journey. If possible, remove any obstructions that could cause you problems and prop doors open ahead of time. Wrap up warm. It can get very cold when sat in a wheelchair. Be mindful of things getting caught in the wheels. Make sure blankets are tucked in well and avoid loose, trailing clothing. Make sure the person is wearing appropriate footwear. Feet can be very vulnerable in a wheelchair. Maintain a neutral posture. Try to keep your arms relaxed and keep your wrists as straight as you can. It's good to think of the wheelchair as an extension of the person. Communicate often and always get consent to move. Once you've released the brakes and started moving, maintain a normal stride pattern, staying close to the wheelchair. Now let's look at navigating obstacles and obstructions. Ramps can be intimidating for a wheelchair user, so we recommend using a lap belt when going up or down a ramp. When going up a ramp, always stay behind the chair, pushing forwards. You may find it easier to lock your elbows to reduce strain on your arms. There's usually buttons to open doors on ramps. You can ask the person in the wheelchair to press the button if they can, as this is typically safer. You can descend shallow ramps forwards. Ask the person to lean back in the chair so that it remains stable. Take it slowly. Keep your arms bent at the elbow and stay close to the chair to help maintain control. If the ramp is steep or the person is prone to leaning forward, destabilizing the chair, then descending the ramp backwards will be safer. Just think about your own safety if you're descending a ramp backwards. Doorways and narrow spaces can be tricky, so always prop doors open if possible and ask for help with doors that won't stay open. Ensure the person's arms are tucked in to avoid hitting the door frame. Take it slow. Your speed should reflect the difficulty of the location and your confidence. And watch out for door handles, as they're usually at face height. Off-camber terrain affects the way that the wheelchair moves. The chair tends to pull to one side, so you'll need to work to counter that. Keep your speed down to reduce the effect of the camber. Keep checking in with the person in the chair to make sure they're comfortable as you're navigating the obstacle. To mount a curb, get the front wheels as close to the curb as you can. Make sure the footplates and the person's feet are not bumping into the curb. Most wheelchairs have a foot peg called a tip assist to help you tip the wheelchair back. Use the tip assist and push down on the handles to carefully raise the front wheels up over the curb. Bring the rear wheels to the curb, then push the chair forward to roll the rear wheels up. Try to avoid lifting the chair. Push forward and let the wheels do the work. To come down a curb, you must be facing backwards. If you attempt it forwards, you will likely ground the chair and the person could fall out. Carefully step back off the curb. Maintain a good base of support and carefully roll the back wheels down the curb. Raise the front wheels just off the ground. Carefully move the chair back and then bring the front wheels down gently once you've completely cleared the curb. Use the tip assist if required. Now let's look at positioning and communication. Communication is really important when you're moving someone in a wheelchair. Come into their field of view to communicate whenever you can. Apply the brakes and come down to their level so they don't always have to look up at you. If you stop to look at something or to talk to someone, don't leave the person in the wheelchair crooking their neck to see what you're looking at or who you're talking to. Position the wheelchair so that the person can share in the experience. If you stop for a moment, think about the person's field of view. Make sure they're not left staring at a wall or uncomfortably close to someone. It's no fun to be left staring at someone's backside in a queue, so allow some space where possible. If you're sitting at a table, think about whether the wheelchair is in close enough. Make sure the person's legs can fit under the table with some clearance. Check under the table for anything that could get in the way. Then, carefully wheel the person closer to the table and apply the brakes once they're in position. Using a wheelchair can be daunting at first, but if you follow these tips and get some practice, you'll soon be able to use a wheelchair with confidence.